With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question is on the screen right now and we are going to read the question first. The question is it possible to increase the temperature of a gas without giving it heat? Or in other terms, the question is name the process in which no heat is transferred to or form a system but the temperature of the system changes. This question is from the thermodynamics and this is really a conceptual question. Now let's start to solve the question. It is said that let us assume that this is our system and beyond the system all is called surrounding. This is our surrounding. Okay, now this system is interact with the surrounding and there is heat transfer and work done. Okay, these things are happens between the system and surrounding. Okay, so in the question it is said that it is possible to increase the temperature of gas without giving it heat. That means there is no heat transfer, and when there is no heat transfer, that means delta Q is 0, change in heat is 0, and we know that the process in which there is no heat transfer, that process is known as adiabatic process. I think you all know this, that in adiabatic process the heat transfer is 0. It means it is our adiabatic process. And now applying the thermodynamics first law for adiabatic process, it is delta Q is equals to delta U plus delta W. Now delta Q is 0 for this function. That means change in internal energy is equals to the minus of work done. Okay. And for adiabatic process, the work done is given by this formula, delta U equals to minus delta W equals to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon gamma minus 1. Initial pressure and volume and final pressure and volume. And we can also say that the pressure and volume for 0.1 and pressure and volume for 0.2 and gamma is a ratio. So we can say that delta W is not 0 for adiabatic process and our internal energy is equal to the work done. That means our internal energy is also not 0. Okay, and we are mostly talking about the ideal gas in thermodynamics. Most of the laws and most of the equations are derived for ideal gas. So for ideal gas, the internal energy is the function of temperature. Okay, this is we know. That means if the temperature is changed, then our internal energy is also changed. If the temperature increase, internal energy increase. If the temperature decrease, our internal energy is also decrease. That means delta T is not 0 because delta U is not 0 and delta U is the function of temperature. When this is not 0, then our temperature is also not 0. That means there is a change in temperature without giving it heat. That means in adiabatic process there is no requirement of heat transfer, and without giving the heat to the system there is change in temperature. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.